You walk into an appliance store and ask for the best range and they'll reflexively sell you a dual fuel. That can be a big mistake for a variety of reasons. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between dual fuel and all gas ranges and which one might be the best for the way you cook. Stay to the end where we reveal the last difference that may change the way you buy a range. If you like to bake, dual fuel is better. Dual fuel is a gas top with an electric oven. Electric heat is drier and more precise than gas for baking. You have better convection systems with electric than gas. You probably heard terms like true convection or European convection. That's an element behind the fan to blow the heat across. It's technically better than regular convection. The heat emanates from the baking inlet at the bottom of the oven, and then the fan blows the heat all around. All electric ovens are true convection, whereas only Blue Star and LG are for gas. If you like to roast, then gas is your better choice. Gas will moisture heat and better for meats and stews than the drier heat of electric. Broiling's also better in gas. You have a gas flame versus an electric broiler. Gas is instant on and is hotter than electric. We all have gas, not electric grills in the back of our homes. Where a gas range truly excels is the pro types with the infrared burners. Infrared is better for searing with its directed heat and is in fact the same type of element you'll find on a pro grill like Lynx. Miller's broiler has almost the same output as a Lynx sear burner at 23,000 BTU. Most other pro ranges are still hot 15 to 20,000 BTU. An all-gas range requires a simple 120-volt, 12-amp line. It's a typical outlet you see pretty much everywhere in your home. However, a dual fuel requires a 240-volt, at least 30-amp line. So you can't just plug in a dual fuel if you have a gas stove, and you will need an electrician to rewire. Dual fuel will cost 10 to 20% more than an all-gas range with the same features. So it's simple. Dual fuel is better for baking, while gas is better for roasting and broiling. Dual fuel will require more power and is more expensive. However, for pro ranges, your choice between dual fuel and all gas becomes more complicated, as brands like Wolf, Miele, Thermador, Monogram, and Blue Star only offer advanced and smart features on their dual fuel models. So the difference is more than just fuel type on a pro range. These advanced features you might find on a dual fuel might be upgrades like self-cleaning, steam, better touchscreen controls, a clock, and a timer depending on the brand. Blue Star and Monogram, for example, have different burner types and their 7-inch articulating clock display. For other brands, the differences are more profound. In Wolf, the burners have higher output. They also added their blower convection system. Their Wolf Gourmet calculates time, temperature, and even rack position when you input the food type and how you like it cooked. It even features self-cleaning in both ovens. You can't find that in Wolf's gas oven. Miele and SKS offer steam assist in their dual fuels, so you can add steam to bake breads and caramelize the tops of food, say like lasagna. Thermal offers a full built-in steam oven, so you can cook a full meal on steam, and warming drawers in their larger 48 and 60-inch dual fuel types. You could even add a couple induction burners on brands like Thermador, Fisher-Paykel, SKS, and more. Again, only in dual fuel. But the cooking doesn't change. Dual fuel will always be better for baking, while gas will always be better for broiling and roasting. If you want to see the best pro ranges, then click this link, and thanks for watching.